Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.
What is good, YouTube? What is up? It is your girl Shay, and you are watching Glamplified Beauty. Did you miss me? Anyway, in today's video, today is an unboxing for my Boxycharm, and this is for the month of January. So our first Boxycharm hitting off 2019. So if you guys want to see what I got in my Boxycharm, make sure y'all stay tuned. But before y'all do that, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button down below. Do it, okay? Do it, so you can become a part of the fam bam, you know, Glam Dog Gang, all day, every day. Make sure you hit that notification and hashtag notification squad, so I know y'all got the notification. Anyway, without further ado, I love y'all, but I got to go. So I will see y'all in the next video. Let's get into this unboxing, shall we? Alright, into this. Y'all like my wig? I got a review coming up on that and this look, so if it's not up, y'all be sure. If it is up, I will have it up in the key card right there. I'll have it up there, but if not, it will be coming. So boop, pop your brakes. Anyway, this is my Boxycharm for January 2019. It looks all greasy, I know. Don't worry about it, boo. Okay, we just worried about what's inside. Okay, so opening up the, okay, don't be falling out. Opening up the box, we got the Boxy and Chill. That is the theme for this month, and all the products that is inside, as well as their value price. If you don't know already, Boxycharm is a $21.99 a month, free shipping, with 4 to 5 full-size or deluxe size products in your box. Or you can also upgrade for Box Deluxe, which is an extra $28.99. I want to say $28.99, as well as the $21.99 a month. Okay, and that one you get, I think, 10 full-size big box, more bang for your buck. But you know, we're doing Boxycharm today, okay? That's it, just Boxycharm. So let's get into these products, okay? So the first thing that I am grabbing is the, what are you? This is the Brogeo Roscaro Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. This is 2 ounces. It says effectively restore your hair's softness, manageability, moisture, and shine with Brogeo's Roscaro Milk Spray, infused with the signature blend of ultra nourishing rosehip, argan, and coconut oils. This spray works to detangle wet hair and protects against heat while locking in moisture, restoring luster, and diminishing frizz. And the retail value for this is $12. So we got this. This is what this looks like right here. Let me give it a little squirty squirt. Okay. It smells good, y'all. It smells good. So I'm going to keep this with my other one, because I also have the other Brogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Mask. So those together should be bomb. I'll put them and use them on my kids' hair, because yeah, I'll just use them on my kids' hair. So the next product that we have is from Billion Dollar Brows. Let's see what this says. Specially and carefully formulated to work perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors, this self-sharpening pencil glides onto your brows without tugging or pulling your skin. The spoolie at the end makes it for easy blending, and the smooth and creamy formula makes for easy application. This pencil retails for $18, and it's supposed to be universal. So this is this. I already have it. No, I don't. Let me swatch it for you guys. I might use it. I'm not a big brow pencil person, but this is what the shade looks like there. Don't mind those. I already have a video with those, but this is the color. So I like more darker. I know that might sound like what, bitch, but yeah, I like darker colors. As y'all can see from my brows right now, they're like black as hell. So yeah, I don't know. I already swatched this, so I'm not gonna put it in a giveaway, but we'll see. We'll see. Maybe one day I'm feeling blah, you know. Okay, so The next product that I received is this liquid lipstick from Ofra. I was hoping for the Jack and Coat lip gloss because I'm on a lip gloss kick right now. So, but this matte liquid lipstick delivers long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills in lips. The stunning pigments stay put all day with minimal transfer while maintaining a comfortable wear. Infused with vitamin A and antioxidants, your lips will look and feel healthy all day. So this is what it looks like. It says long lasting liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Miami Fever. I was like, what is the name? But it's Miami Fever. It says so right there. See? So let me swatch that for you guys. It feels weird. It feels moussey, like a mousse texture. But I'm gonna put that with my other stuff. And this is what the shade looked like. So it's a nice little pumpkin orange. Matter of fact, that would have went good with my look right now. Look at that. But that is what the shade looks like here. It's very pretty. It feels good. So that retailed for $20 if I did not say so already. And then we have these two face masks. These are 20 millimeters from Tatcha. Gotcha. Anyway, so it says nourish skin from within using these lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, sorry about that y'all, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 millimeters of skin quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restores skin health and radiance. The retail value for this is $24.99, $24, so $24 a mask. And it says free gift with purchase of $75 or more on your first order at Tatcha.com while supplies last. Code BOXY19, y'all. BOXY19 is valid until the 7th of February. So make sure y'all get your hands on that for a free gift with your purchase from Tatcha. So that is what those look like there. I will definitely be putting this to good use. Got two of those. And then I think that is one more product. And if I didn't say it, it was $24 sheet mask. And the last thing, last but least, this is it. This is the Tarte limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette, volume 3. It says dive in to this vegan crease-free eyeshadow palette that features 7 highly reflected plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude that serves as a perfect transition shade. This blendable and long-wearing formula is enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants, helping to hydrate and protect the lids. And this retail value is $36. So that is that. We are going to open it because I'm definitely going to keep this one because I should have kept the other one, but I gave it away. So, So this is what that one looks like. I remember the last one that I had. It looks like a tree. It was a tree. I wish I had that now, but whatever. You live and you learn. And yeah, this is what the back looks like there. Don't mind my dirty area. But let's open her up and see what she is. Oh, okay. So it comes with a nice little mirror. Again, don't mind my area. Hey, y'all. So it has a nice little mirror and it has the colors all right here. I was hoping for that more red one, but yeah. And they said it's one transition shade that is supposed to be used, can be used for everybody. They said some shit like that. One matte nude that serves as the perfect transition shade. Perfect transition shade for who? How am I going to use that? It's beige. How am I going to use this? It's beige, sir. Let me see. Let me swatch it. Since I'm keeping it. Yeah, how is this a transition shade for me? Somebody asked me that. Well, answer me that. Let me see another one. This is the more pinky one right next door. Okay, let's try this brown one. That's alright. But that pinky one looked chalky as hell. Alright, let's try this gold one. We're going all up and down this arm. Alright, not bad. Let's try this other one. We just gonna swatch the whole thing, y'all. Let's put this right here. Oh no. Okay, maybe it's me, I don't know. I'm gonna swatch it all for y'all, my bad. Is anybody else's flaky? Like, this is flaky. I'm gonna show y'all in a second what I'm talking about. And I'm only going around about 3 times. Okay, so this is it. I swatched it all. Let me show y'all the swatches. This is the swatches right here. And this is the other side. You see here what I'm talking about? It's like chalky or flaky or whatever. But those are the other ones. Yeah, I'll keep those for collection, but I don't think I'll be using that. I don't know. Maybe I'll use it as a highlighter or something like that. You never know. But yeah, that is everything that I got from my Boxycharm for the month of January 2019. Y'all stay tuned. Stick around because we got other beauty boxes coming soon, y'all. I got Allure, I got a black beauty box, and I got, it's another one I can't remember right now, and I got hair reviews, and my daughter is putting bunny ears at me. But anyway, yeah, I got to go. I'm hungry and I got to eat something. So without further ado, I'm out of here. I love y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit that notification bell. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, glam dolls.